udwembu blind kunzima nosibona. When I look into the mirror I'm like demon alone. I won't pass the mic and the funny not on. When I step on stage everybody in the crowd goes like Kubani nalona, Kubani nalona, Kubani nalona, usikla putu pateni ibola. I've been behind bars, now I'm out in parole. They're like, who that, more like.
Hello, Africa, and tell me how you're doing today. My name is BK, the President Dema2K. It feels good to be here. We're back again. Welcome to the sports edition under the NAFL podcast. This is the only sport podcast in the Eastern Cape province, still undefeated, still undisputed. Please make this channel bigger. Follow us on Facebook, Sports Edition ECTV as well. Please subscribe on YouTube. It's free. Sports Edition ECTV. Shout out to Mr. Nate Kamakukosani, our main man behind the scene, and salute the whole crew, Abu Tastipa, Abu Simjo, Abu Msiana, and Abu Hood. Thank you so much, gents, for making these beautiful things that we are doing here in this channel. Today, I'm joined by two prominent people. Two most important people in this country in the sport of boxing goes by the name of Mr. Ayanda Matiti Uqaba, and also with Mr. Mlandeli Tengimfene balapha ngale mina namhlanje. You know the story. 24th of April, it's a derby. It's more than anything. There's nothing that is bigger than this one. Everybody's looking forward to this one. So today they are here to just articulate some few things and tell us okokuba le derby thethukuthini kuthi abantu bangoku belixesha. I know ama 2000 as derby akazazi, but we are trying to introduce them okokuba boxing is still alive, and the mecca of boxing, it's still alive, it's still breathing right here eMzansi Africa. Masiqala welicala kumphathi wohlelo oyena umuntu inight yethu exhomekeke kuye. Should ba athi ngala mina sikwazi ngena sonke phaya. Wonke umuntu ofuna ukuyobukela la derby athi uzabukelwa si-stable sakhe kuphela. So kufanele siqale ngayo kumbulisa. Xa baba sikubulise kunjani?
Sephela BK kunjani kuwe? Sibulisa naku babukeli nakubaphulaphula.
Nice one. Tamla, abantu abaninzi ke in this channel, they are seeing you for the first time because they've been calling your name. So from TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, now they got a chance to see you. Masinigel Tubana was Bolsen. Sure.
Yeah, no, thank you so much, Putwaman. Mandabulise bonke abantu ababukele nabazabukela. Ndiyaqala uba lapha.
Yeah.
Ndithumela nje iboxer zami bazizapha kudala siza. Xaba ndibulise man nawe. Wazinde into yethu.
Yeah.
Double ethu aloku. Double amajuda afundini.
Yeah.
Wa silwa oko. Yeah, but okay. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much, Tamla. As I said, Okokuba, we are talking about the 24th of April. Our boxing promotion have been cooking, and everybody now is waiting to be served at Orient Theatre. I don't know if we can say Chef Matiti because he cooked. He cooked. 24th of April, wonke ujonge phaya. The readiness of our boxing promotion to this event that is promising to be a big night, an unforgettable night in South Africa. How ready you are?
Hey, bro, BK. We're going to be very busy. This week and next week. Kuba malungiselelo omlokumela kunjeni. If umhlambi awafani nala for South African title fights, because abantu ngabalapha. It's for South African titles. There's no well-sanctioned body. It's different because we've got international travelers that must land in the country on Monday. That must be part of the media briefing on Tuesday. and the pre-medical. You've got officials. You are flying people in.
Yeah.
You are spending. You've got officials of the IPF that must be in the city.
Yeah.
And of course the boxers in Argentina, and those that are coming outside of the province that you're expecting. Ndimvile kumla ethetha kwenye into esithi uzaw bethu king afly ngomgqibelo. Nobe ndizixelele into kuba ndizawubethwa Azinga
Yeah.
kuLesihlanu kumgqibelo ebusuku emva kwemini. Ndifonela umla ngoba ukusasa yaqona.
Yeah.
Ndithi mfowethu maske siyobeka elahleni. Yaqonda usaphoses
Sure.
amanxeba. You have not healed. Ndifonele uFako.
Yeah.
Ukhona umuntu okhokhela eligqiza
Ezantsi.
angaba pha phesheya aba kwa robot eKaso. Ndifonele uFako, ndifonele uDlamini.
Ace.
Ndithi kanizeni madoda, ndiyayazi into yoba ibox amosewinayo pha izabe ihamba negusha ezimbini.
Yeah.
Eluzayo neyi-1.
Okay.
So you may not need to call boxers
Yeah.
because either way zabe zihleli neefamily zazo kumandi. Kodwa it will be nice into kuba sibe nayo man. I know abantu bamanqindi bayawasupporta amanqindi. Bawasupporta who are loud in different ways.
Yeah.
Who are creative in different ways. I'm telling you what Dlamini and Faku have done to lead from the front will sustain boxing beyond this tournament.
Yeah.
Because the Azinga King about, it's a reawakening of a sleeping giant. It now proves that you can connect the maker with the rebels, the masses. The masses of different stratas and different generations.
Yeah.
Because the old and young, the miswaqo. Ngabantu abadala abanye ba nangilatata konje bancincawe. Siyobukela lamanqindi
Yeah.
nabantu abadala and different genders. People are excited. They're in the mood. They're in the mood of the 24th. So we're called upon as a brand to rise to the occasion, and live up to it and prepare so that we don't disappoint. So we are going with the flow.
Yeah.
We're enjoying the excitement. We're enjoying the traction that the fight has created. We're equally calling upon boxers that are fighting in that show to also raise their hands.
Yes. Yeah.
They've been overshadowed by this bout.
By this bout.
You have strong boxers that have got their own traction and following. But they are fighting. They should be, they must not be told to, but it's just that boxing, bonga abantu basupport uGinqu no Azinga, basupporta nabanye. But it must not be assumed.
Yes.
They must go an extra mile in ensuring that they are known that they are fighting. They are also in the space, as it were. Otherwise, we're excited. I'm excited more that umlabo ngumkhulu qha umuntu odelelayo so umuntu odelelayo and ke ngoku lifana nkosi ngokwesinto pha liphakathi so ndiyakwazi ukuvele ndiqokobe but andiyifuni lento ndimane umkhulu wandimisela ngenhliziyo.
Yeah.
Yakuphela kwento ndingaye eqolbe andiyithandi mina nje.
Yabona
Akabi mhle.
akonwabanga nangoku.
Yabona umlaxa ulatoza qombetha pha akabi mhlawumbe ebusweni kuGesi. Yo sokuthiwa kuGesi hayi umbona ba hey bengayilindelanga lento uyacinga uyabala ungayazi ba ebeyicinge njani. So ndizamphinda ngo.
Yeah.
Ndizamphinda. And I don't want to be prophetic.
Sure.
You know the fighting ingavele because you have been asking what is the projections. Man said be knockout kaGinqa.
Yeah.
Uyazi ba the fight njengoba ndisithi uGinqa noAzinga balwa bayalwa ku fight e1 ngoSeptember. Uyazi ngavele beyidraw le.
Eish. Yeah.
I'm telling
Yeah,
you. You know boxing I'm telling
There's
you
a possibility of that.
because
Yeah.
ufethu uGinqa. Now uAzinga ndibonile exhibition le.
Yeah.
Ngibona be userious. Ikhona into afuna uyifumana uyizuza.
Sure.
Now iboxer xa zikula mode
Yeah.
naxa ziliftwe to this level by abantu abazisupportayo.
Yeah.
They can do anything in the ring. They can do anything in the ring. And boxing will be the winner ultimately.
Boxing will be the winner. Tamla, usabufumana ubuthongo. How ready you are with your team, and you know kokuba Night of Champions last year in 2025. It was the most painful night in now you are here throwing your last dice, if we can put like
And
that.
indeed, it's
Yeah.
the last dice.
This is your last dice, Azinga Fuzile and Asana Ginqi. How ready you are with your team?
Bethwe kabuhlungu phambi kwabantu. Super Sport Live. Abona yona ndinibethayo ke leyo. Liya ndenza naphansi uqhawuka. Yeke kwalo manqindi.
Sure.
Yabo. Wazinga nguye umuntu ozangiboyisa emanqindini. Akazi mina. This is another Damla.
Yeah.
Mna it will only be Damla ngo 11 o'clock at night nge24th. Yeah, xa ngiphinda buya ke ngo.
Manqindi.
Yeah, emanqindini. Amprin Phume.
Yeah.
Ndiyamvuxaba uxaba unibethile maxesha elininzi.
Sure.
Hayi shama unibethile. Kodwa le game imali yami yokugqibela
Sela.
bheja nangendlu. Kuve kuthiwa bheja ngendlu bheja nakomfazi kule game. Hayi madoda ancingi. Hayi nothi kulena xaba. Beka zonke into zami nemoto zami.
Angabhejwa abafazi.
Asenzisho kaloku idla ngoba khona la nto ngayo.
Bheja ngento yonke.
Bheja ngento yonke ngabheja nakomfazi wami.
Sure.
Kulena game ndikuloko ukuthi asuka akuyapho kuyakhona. Kodwa ke andim disrespectanga uGinqa.
Yeah.
Yeah, intwana yami intwana ekudala ndiyifollowisha.
Sure.
From day one thenisha kwayo yabo ngele shame but le yenzeke la I never thought that ezintwana zase cross line.
Yeah.
Cha amanqindi manafani.
Afani.
Yeah, but ke wa here
Yeah.
izawudlula nayo.
Izawudlula.
But let me promise uAzinga has been there before.
Yeah.
At the time ebethi uMabhuti Sinyabi he had 4 fights cha kwabe kugcwele ukuthi qho but he managed to absorb
Yeah.
la pressure se Orange Theatre. Sake sibona uGinqa uzakwazi ukuabsorb because uGinqa has never fought in front of abantu endiba anticipateayo.
Okay.
Yeah, and uAzinga has been there before. Uzakuyazi ba how uza imaneuver njani la wave. That's the first point. Then the second point, experience yethu man is too much. And asimdelelanga uGinqa. Sometimes ibox ibe ubona apha eboxeni ba ingathi yadelela.
Too relaxed.
From day one announced sayithetha noXaba ya announce noba I think it was on a Thursday. Ba announce le fight. Ndathi ndimxelela uAzinga noba after an hour ndimcheck shubo ndava se ndiyabaleka. Hey, shini lentwana ngathi itrainer ngohlobo for uGinqa. Kanti izixelele ba Damla I need to make a statement. So we're going there on the 24th. Just to make a statement for nabanye abantu ebene questions ngoAzinga.
Yes.
Ezithi maybe he has passed his best. Wazinga is only 29.
Yeah.
Kaiser that ukhawuleze wasezindweni sengumntana.
Okay.
Pick yakhe kungona ngobe fama ku pick yakhe. Exactly. So apho ndiyakhona is that Wazinga will prevail on the day. There's elements ndiqala ngazo. Xaba ke sawudibana ke emva kwe fight yena. Siyigqibezele yethu.
For many years, these two townships have been carried the country in terms of when it comes to boxing. And we cannot run away that these are the most successful townships in the history of boxing in this country and in this continent as well. But tell us, Xaba, about these two townships, Namanqindi, Azo, Mdantsane, and Spunzana, Duncan Village.
Hey madoda. Uyazi ba amadabi. Akhona amadaba lapha eMdantsane, eboxer lapha eMdantsane. Besboxer lapha kwa3 na kwa5.
Yeah.
Okanye eza kwa13 na kwa5 okanye kwa1. Iyakhula muslendo idabi. Idabi it's not negative. Because idabi competition, idabi lele staples.
Yeah.
I-boxing ibibakho ngokwezitaples, bakukho esa stable. Now you have prominent boxers kwesa stable. Ngokwendawo ube ne boxers seTsholomi kuyamatchazi kudala. Wakhona abantu bakuthiwa ngompongo pha eTsholomi. They're very good amateurs, but professional rank they fills out. You know, I'm just reminded now because I was talking to Odwa Mhleleni.
Okay. Yeah.
He says he writes in the page that for the past 19 years or so, I've not been going to boxing.
Yeah.
But for this one fight, I'm coming.
Sure.
Ne? But when you think about Odwa, you think about Ndoda Mayende, but you don't think about Gingr's trainer Mnyamezeli Shosha.
Yeah.
Ushosha goes into a derby, but Uswarongo, may his soul rest in peace. I'm secondod. Sikon bas bamba mazimi orende kase le fight because we are born ba kelklash undoda ku know the old and the young.
Yeah.
But besabetha kaBhlungu. Ne? Uyiqonda ba le fight izawuphela iphele nyani ke knockout. But the fire blows in his peak. Had he fought Ndoda in his peak, Ndoda would have been a stepping stone, a ladder for Ushosha. Would have been a ladder for Ushosha. You have the likes of China Cup. Baninzi abantu bebenziwe eDuncan Village. Sabathanda because of how they exhibited boxing.
Okay.
Style. Because we all understood thina ukuba siyindawo epeculiar sifana neisland yabantu abawabethayo amanqindi cha bakukhona umuntu bekwabuzwa abantu baseDuncan Village wadaba ngabantu abaskillful abasemdantsane abantu abalwayo yabona ndiyaqala uyiva le account. It's in one of the podcast ukhona beyiphendula. It was I think bekuku fight besikuyo on a Sunday but kwinto yini ndaqonda ndiyaqala uyiva lo muntu ngumuntu owabonayo amanqindi but i misrepresentation of i-account yeboxers eMdantsane. Because you have a mixture of both in both areas.
Yeah.
And kufuneka ngokuthi because i-pride umla udefectile ngoku because ngowalapha welile
right.
and wela by desire unyanyanzeleka awele because i-boxer yakhe kuAzinga. But ordinarily besizawuvele sithi abantu bendawo
Yeah.
xa kufuna ophopho bendawo beza bangiphopho welicala xa kusulwa nabantu baseDurban Village.
Yeah.
Uyayibona? It's not it can never be negative because it's a signal of growth idabi. Likho kuyamatchers, likho professional boxing. So le nto into ba high box mazamba indlela yazo uyazela ba le box I destined to be a South African champion or to be a world champion for that matter. Because iyakwazi ntwana uba strong wa match but ifike ingaqhubi professional ranks. But coming to or you can come in.
I just wanted to come with something different man Andy observe leyo. The Mdantsane boxers you'd find that ziyakwazulwa zodwa. Ekwasana?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Joy versus bantwana wakwa 12.
Okay.
Jigge.
1 and 2. Yeah.
But it's rare as Phunzana.
That's true.
Uthiwe
That's true.
nazi intwana ezinswembu zaseziphuna zombili.
Zilwa zoyi-two.
Kambe there
Yeah.
was a time where uvetyeka babe no azinga babe kuyabe kwithile kaBerman.
Okay.
Yamba boy2. Ifear was that kezindwana zalalo zakwazulwa zombili.
Zawuthini? Yeah.
Besithi ka sesoze yenzeke lonto. Yabo?
Yeah.
There was a fight coming kaHem versus lentwana. Le
JJ,
isonjika.
yeah.
Abantu sesiphunza besithi hayi khona
Ayikwazi.
Sesho abantu bapha bayakwazi ke ukuziprotect ukuthi hayi not thina.
Yeah.
It's very difficult ubalwisa bodwa.
That's true.
Bathi balwa noMdantsane.
I beg to differ kodwa mna.
Back to Tiffany.
Yes, because uyazi lento izawuphinde you will come this side xa kuza narrative bambalwa izitazi baninzi kwelicala iMdantsane njengoba ininzi inkulu
Okay.
zibe ninzi in one division ivamile lonto apha eMdantsane
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
ivamile even if leave the styles
Okay.
you will take Mzidi uthatha uNtontela up ne
Mad Dog.
uMinkisa umzingisi lingi no the inqabile eDurban Village ube noGapha Orlandoza sorry banomfana ka 5 way champion bethwa uMinkisa
Lano legadalala.
leyabethwa ile ntwana ibethwe nguyemi
Oh.
ebethwe ile ntwana yabethwa nguye ikona uMahlangu ebethe inhloko
Yeah.
and but you know the boxer I'm talking
Yes,
about is a
yes,
former
yes,
South African champion
Yeah.
ne iyakwazi apha eMdantsane ufumanise kuba iCream de la you have 6 boxers that are strong in one division
Yeah.
inqabile kwelicala
Okay.
But the bottom line is
Village.
that it's rare.
inqabile
Kuthiwe
kwelicala
umuntu challenge SA title.
But it's rare.
Kangikhumbuze xa kuthiwa
Yeah.
intwana eseDurban Village ilwa nenye
Zilwa
for SA title.
Yeah.
because ingxakazi ke zibe khona zombili
Zombili.
Thise, that's the point I'm making
A1.
ku division A1
Yes, yes.
xa zikhona for example
Ziyatshisa
ifight ka him ungenzeki kwaye enento kwenza nefans
In the fence.
ungenzeki kwaye into ba
Yes,
omnye
I agree.
outpriced himself
Yes.
and wabe engebengenayo kwenza nto kulantoza ku him it would have been an easy
But
knockout
abantu
guy
bayathetha lokho i-supporters zona zithi ha kodwa ayikho right le fight. Abafuni ubona ulwabodwa basekhasi. Kuthe bafuna ufuna uvisa kaBhlungu abantu baseMdantsane.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's the gist of it ke ngoku. That's where ke ngoku incasa ke ngoku seyifumana khona.
Yeah.
Yes, uMdantsane yawazi ukuziphekela.
Yakwazi
Amadabi
uMdantsane.
akhe. And amadabi azogcwalisa iOrient.
awalapha eMdantsane
Yes. But when it comes to ngoku eDurban Village, bona they want to go to
Yeah,
Mdantsane. Yeah.
mna nangu uThongwane uyalwa no naletwana umdelete
Yes.
into yaseDurban Village Durban Village dub I've done dubs of Durban Village boxers they may not have been prominent but boxers
up to
aseDurban
this one.
Village there have been dubs ezininzi zeboxers aseMdantsane against boxers aseMdantsane and I think the point is that boxer you know I went to an extent of moving uginqe no letwana yasenxarhuni
Oh, Bhatyi.
Bhatyi they were in the same gym ne
Yeah.
now
yeah.
abantu sibe ngathi umuntu uthi ndingunumber 1
Yeah.
ndifuna ititle
What would you say?
sisejimini enye athi andizulinda ne andizulinda ubani ndifuna ukulwa utsho
Same.
umuntu number 1 in the same stable. Now what do you do?
Yeah.
And ke ngoku you don't have another opportunity because sometimes common sense iyakwazi uthetha outside of your reality.
Yes.
Ibe i-reality ubhatyi ufuna ulwa noginqi yi-champion. What do you do?
Uthini?
Xa sengulo fight yenziwe, they can't train in the same gym. You must take another one move yombeka kwenye indawo. uBaloyi
Yeah.
fought against the Limpopo chepe ebetha abantu
Hitman lo.
Hitman.
Oh, yeah.
Lo ebetha, they were moved. Philip
Philip
Ndo.
though. Oh, okay.
Ne? But they were trained they were in the Durand table.
Yeah.
But they had to move for that fight to happen because it was understood that they are at the bayakhula ngoku. And if you must make a fight that will pride, that will be a big fight in South Africa of boxers that have got an international outlook.
Yeah.
Yenzala fight. Currently ngoku Tyson Fury, you heard him. He
Yes.
said,
Yeah.
I'm retiring if I'm not fighting AJ.
AJ.
People wanted the most wanted British bout that will have world presence in terms of following and the eyeballs.
Yes.
So we must not say these things are negative. What azenziwa kwezinye indawo ziyenziwa and mazenzeke.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's also address that because there are people that they believe the Okba, no, this fight bengamelanga bayenzeka. And you ask yourself, Okba, if we want the science and the joy of boxing, bazolwa nobani phi.
And you know, besides that, man, now I'll make an example ka Azinga.
Yeah.
Azinga uphila ngamanqindi. Ne? Wagqibela upeya ngamanqindi nge5 ka April last year.
Yeah.
May, June,
It's a
July,
year now.
August. It's a year. And where now you are getting paid every month. Other boxers are fighting phambi kwakho. December wakho was black. Funeka ude utamla kudibanise iziponsors zakhe. Kwathi ukuzibe kanti uyabeka etafeni. And there comes uKlaba with an opportunity for Azinga. Yeke yoba athi afumana imali. Wazinga ngoku uyalwa nge24th. By the 30th imali yakhe seyikuye. Naye akhabe ngumuntu phakathi kwabantu akabi namjojo. Yabona sana abantu abanayo ke lonto leyo.
Yeah.
Thina abantu bahlala nendwana full time. Uyayazi ba uAzinga must get into the amakalo azofumana imali. And uAzinga is one of the boxers is expensive when it comes to ibes. For uba uXaba aze athi hey ndikhathana nalondo nifuna ndoni yabo and then
yes.
and we negotiate around that. Because I don't need uAzinga 50,000 for argument's sake. Asizuyithatha lo mali.
Yeah.
It's very expensive. And you want me ke ngondifumane offer a better. Did hire ndithathe le fight because yeyona zombini ndizithanda zombini.
Yeah.
Cannot be. Unless umuntu angaza kum ke anike imali ke to step aside, then I can step aside.
Yeah.
But ngoku kwangoku Azinga wants to fight and he needs a win kwi resume yakhe. Yabo? So abantu ke wena Xaba banazo ke nezonto ezinjalo.
Yeah.
Abazi considerish unless ukuthiwa and ezintwana ke my brother they want to be inside the ring.
Yeah.
UAzinga ufuna ukulwa literally uqomhele nwa. UAzinga ufuna ukulwa my brother afuna into ibitheni yena. Xa engakhange alwe akapeyi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unceda ucecane zangalwe noGabula. Because remember there's a Kwazela and Cecane.
Okay.
There's a Cecane fight, there's a derby yet of a boxer in Dagen Village and Ncedo.
Okay.
I just forget I may be mixing things but they've been so inspiring isn't it?
Yeah.
Boxers learn from each other. Don't you think Lesilwa Uking? No, don't you think maybe Azinga needed a key or King needed an Azinga
Yes.
for him to be exposed and step up?
Exactly.
Ne?
Yeah.
Because if he is fighting against other boxers, maybe Agata I'll bet to his fullest potential.
Yeah.
Don't you think that he needed an Azinga for him to step up? Don't you think that an Azinga who has a year of needs a king? And I'm saying this thing because there is no career that is ending
To be end-
between
yeah,
the
yeah,
two boxers.
yeah. Okay.
Boxing will benefit. They will learn. They will still box up until they decide that they are retiring. So that thing we must get it out of our heads.
And another
It's
thing,
good for boxing.
Another
Sure.
thing that
Local fight.
in the preparation, don't measure King's performance last fight yaki.
With Kwei.
No, you can't, because Ukwei going to that fight, he had 4 fights.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I mean 4 wins and I think 2 throws or something, and maybe the performance King was not up to upper band by
The level that we're expecting.
because
yeah.
King ubone Ukwei umhlambeni komama light man le
Yeah.
but there is no king who would sleep and not prepare Wazinga, and therefore the performance ka king so you judge ngeke last performance yakhe.
Yeah.
That will be very wrong.
And to me, styles make fights, but I was very much happy with Gingli's performance against Kwei.
You were.
Against that
You were
youngster.
very
I'm
happy.
telling you.
Yeah.
I think Gingli showed everybody that is up the notch. Remember, that's a monster.
Yeah.
That's a monster. That's a boxer that is dangerous even against Azing.
That was top class.
Imbambile lantwana uGing.
Yeah.
Round 5. Yeah. Cha abanye abantu, and I want to address this thing. They may say, "Yeah, wancedwa ngurefli." Uncedwe inexperience of a boxer.
Yes.
Inexperience, because urefli may have helped, uGing may have been helped in that process, but lantwana umbetha kwakhe uGing ngeli xesha kwenzeka lana kangiyiye kuneutral corner.
Yes.
Ne? Because there are rules in boxing. Because when uzaba ngathi xa ungayilandeli lonto leyo, you and ke ngoku uGing recovered. He was not badly hurt, but he was hurt, and ke ngoku yabe imizuzu iphela. Kwilantos
Yamphinda
next round yaphinda yaqala kwagqibela yena.
Yeah.
Because the 2 minutes, watch that fight, the 2 minutes of that round 6, kuphinda uGing uyabuya control the fight, and he controlled it because unentwana that is young, that is hungry, that is coming, and that has got power in both hands in a left hook. So he showed class to me. Ukuthi is a notch, or notches above that boy.
Yeah.
But that boy remains a dangerous boy against any junior lightweight in South Africa.
Tamla, you've been there in the derbys of these two townships, but the style, as Ukabe Sichoko, the style make fights.
Yeah.
But have you take something or you notice Leo when it comes to a boxer, yes, a Duncan Village, and the boxer of Mdanzane, and coming to this derby, Ka Azinga, no Asanda, the style of fight?
Because Wes is left-handed. Sine style esazo man. Jonga, go back to Sonjika, both Sonjika brothers.
Yeah.
Particularly Utabo.
Tam.
Ikona into uSlaka, go back to Slaka. Yabo. So sine style go back yaku V12.
Yeah.
Oh, Mutot, that's class.
That's class.
That's class. That's class.
Okay, nimsusile.
Yo, madoda.
V12 for Woolworths.
That's class. You.
So you find abantu abanje ekas. The V12
style of
sluggers,
fight, yeah.
yabo Thabo Sonjika. Yabo uAzingo followisha la line style. And then up ufumana no uZolanted chwepheshe but ne punch.
Okay.
Mabhuti Sinyabe une style. Yabo?
Yeah.
Uyachana.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Zina
Accuracy.
ipower ikhona kodwa kwelicala lethu. Uyakola side. Inoka specialists. Zizi.
As well done.
Ngapha si style uvetyeka unoka specialist uvetyeka uthi
Yokubethwa kokoko.
yokahle. So that's why, and you'll find Joy kwelicala. Yabo Joy ungena style encama. Qha ulapha uJoy. Lapha uJoy.
On your pocket.
Yeah, on your pocket. So that's the difference between these two classes. Tanzania. Ezingapha ziyachana. Basics izibambe kakhulu. Hey, eziya kasi. Hey, wesa manxele yazo. Aya in fact ungathi uchief uyawa developers. Ziyajikwa masino yasekasi bengamanxele, yabo? Lawo ye-Cubans.
Yeah.
Yajikwa zanona zenziwa amanxele. And iqwalasele lonto.
Okay.
And i-boxers ka-chief xesha elininzi zingamanxele. Because uchief uyaziguqula entwana zithi. No azinga lo sithetha ngaye.
Uvetyeka.
Hayi class.
Uvetyeka ndibulelo bhotile ayini madoda.
Uyabona ke
I'm not yabona there's nothing that comes close to that
To those ones.
arrangement. Uvetyeka may not have the killer instinct
Yes.
as Bodile did.
Yes.
But the
yes.
eye, hey man,
accuracy.
the eye. Utabo Sonjigal, the older, he relied on power.
Okay.
He would he relied on power, and so he would. But Vekeka,
Yeah.
you want to Vekeka?
Yabona ke style sila ngaso. So sistyle ngapha.
Yeah.
Yazi the style, use the style yasekhasi.
The art.
Ezethu we athinians. Ezethu up behind the jab bethwa kabuhlungu izangapha ekhaya. Yeah, and asingabaxhaka ngokulinga ucima fana. Nanku ukhulile emakhepha.
Yeah.
Naye linxele boxer kakhulu. Mikiza the late.
Yes,
Mikiza
yes,
Miyekeni
Showtime.
boxer kakhulu. So sinayo lo variety kwelicala.
Okay.
Ngapha inqabile man udlula geqa ngapha.
Ungabili
In
umuntu
your
ofuna
observation
ubetha.
now, in the style of
Yeah.
between Tanzania and Duncan.
I marry what Ramla is saying. Kakul.
Sure.
Here you have a combination of a bit of both. You could say umtu who's going to will most probably in terms of precision and power would most probably and I may be saying this thing early, but I see it with him.
Okay.
Better blows as Mbalo and it's very dangerous. But the boxers are par this is a boxer.
Okay.
Ne? You know, I've seen one of the debates that we must have is the environment.
Yeah. Yes.
Ukuthi, if the environment was not brutal, how many world champions will you be having at Duncan Village?
Yeah. If the environment.
If the environment,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
the were also affected by that, but not as how as
yeah.
Duncan Village, because kwa aid ufike wano ngelixesha kuvuka lento ibethwayo yethufi intwana ezininzi zenzakele ilando
of course.
ezigood boxing. So yabona le ndawo kuthiwa imeka masiyekeni besifaka compartments, it will never stop producing beautiful bright boxers. Zikho ngoku ezintwana zikhoyo ngozaba zi-champions zikho eDuncan Village, zikho apha eMdantsane ne
Xaba ndisibone kulento besikuyo. Entwana zincinci.
Yeah.
Kulento besikuyo eDuncan Village. Oh, ngomatyhini thiko. Isekhona into ephekwayo apha.
Too much.
they are dangerous. Boxing will never die. I think we must, whilst we are here, sibabulele man above, especially the former boxers.
Yes. Okay.
Your Snyabi, your Skuja, your Tete, Magazole, was usakhona kulana. La manje tafuneka manethethe nangalewe la, especially uMagazole. But hey, machita xani kulendo ithathene as a profession.
Yes.
Yabo, because if you also intwana zine character, zine charm, those boxing. I don't think wazinga unayo le ngxaki yoMagazole.
Yeah.
No. I don't think unayo wazinga whilst I go Coca-Cola bezimazini. Uyaqonda? Uyabona moslandwana uyaqonda uyambona wazinga nje ba intwana abantwana bayithanda but ayikho as dangerous. So as zithethe namajita la nyana, I'm telling you, for boxing we need that.
We need that.
Kuba
Exactly.
jonga man majita. If I am Landile Thengimfene ndiqeshiwe ndizawude ndiyoretire ndiyayazi uba ipackage yam ndiphuma nalento
Sure.
ndikwarhulumente ndingena ngexesha elithile emsebenzini ndiphuma.
From exesha elithile.
So with this mode, there's a good mood in the boxing environment, especially everybody now commits by lento yenziwa apha Eastern Cape qha. How do we then sifake i-deep kuwamakhalane le process?
Yeah.
Into bajonga man hey okay uba sishumana uyim i-right man loo nto.
Yeah.
Uyaqonda?
Yeah.
Uyeva yemzithi khawuzinikele ixesha uyabona, and make your parents proud, provide shelter for your parents, because abantwana yawayo une extension. and masingabikho wrong xa sifuna ukufederisha our ambitions and our thought, because once umene unyana akho exhantini ucela into ongakwazanga uyenza efuneka yenzeke yehlele elikhaya positively through inzalo yakho.
That's right.
So for ezintwana i-boxing ine potential yento kuba ikhupha uManipehla eTyotyombe apha Eastern Cape. Abantu balungiselela abazali balungiselele nabo.
Yeah.
But maske siyeke lo mjojo i-boxers masikwazi uthetha zizibuildele iprofile yazo, because ayincedi lento yo sure into nza kubetha umuntu eringini. Ne the social media.
Yes.
It's indlela ekuthethwa ngayo. You can have the social media support, but xa ungakwazi uthetha wena iza collapse lo.
Of course.
But at the same time phinde supporters particularly social media uke wangathi ibox ethetha kakhulu ingasibethwe la ntwana iyabika.
That's the thing that we're facing.
Uzibona iyazithengisa isibethwe kanjani lento iyabika kanjani.
Kodwa funeka uthethe, you must support. No, i-right xa uthetha kakhulu mbethe umuntu naserengeni.
Back your talk.
Back your talk. Ikhona into neyikhumsha kamandi apha from amachas ngathi lapha kuDuksu Sigonyela.
Yeah.
Smart cha ayithi igqiba beringini le iyadinwa. So make sure kaloku lento must be measured.
Yes.
Into yeboxing iboxer mayilwe eringini ibethe umuntu be champion.
Yeah.
So enye into you provide support outside, it does not have to be done ezinye izinto by boxer by wena. Like lento wazinge beyithethe into babantu babayi5 banqunge umuntu oyi1.
Yes.
There's no need into uba uyazi lento ye social media uyenza ngokwakho. There must be someone who handles your page.
Yes.
Uthethwe izinto pha xa kufakwe ubusuku ba kucunzwa nguwe articulatewa ngabanye abantu.
Azingaka ingwilo.
But xa ke ngoku unikwe umboko, attract people to the venue.
Yes.
Attract people to the venue. Akuyazikanga ungene kwizinto ze Strait of Hormuz, the wars in Iran and what. No, you don't have to get into that. But you can say just for our own sake, mhlambi in passing ukuthi Donald Trump is the most powerful president in the world with a 4-year-old mind. You can say that.
Well, that's a piece of advice to all the upcoming boxers. In fact, bonke abantu abadlala esport. This fight, there is no title in this fight, but it carries the pride and the history. I know on the 24th of April, there will be new chapter for these boys. Whether they win, whether their result is Pumaziltini na, but le fight ithethe more than a title. That's how big it is.
In fact, anfunanga mandiyithethe up front. Anfunanga umosha kakhulu ngwalapha lo ndiyamthanda uGinga.
Yeah.
Anfunanga uqutha yonke into umntana nayo. Yabona? Ndakho mandiyeke ibhanti yona for into ba aphinde ayoskiti fresh after. Otherwise babe kuthiwa brutal and ndihlala eDangeni village benza boots and all yonke nebhandelo cha kuba ndingwalapha ngoba hamba mandibhekele intwana yami egqibelele andifuni lentwana ingakhi after yonke le. So i-arrangement andifunanga umxushela idisc umntana mani yabo ndiyayithanda nayo laa ntwana abantu bayo yabona yanaqoba hamba ndiliyeke ibhanti ndifuna nje iwin.
Yeah.
Ndizoba right. Ndiqole yabo.
Kodwa mandimreturn umlanga because yabona umla says ebengalifuni ibhandi likaMoyise.
Yeah.
That's factually incorrect.
Yeah.
Immediately kuwina nge-fight kaSeptember kula fight yo him no days. The following day wafaka i-challenge form challenger kalantwana seKapa. So ndifuna ukwazi bandilungise la nto ibithethwa pha qha ndizifisile pha uyaqonda wafaka i-challenge form because he was number 1 now. Uyaqonda?
Okay.
So obesithi uyayifuna i-title ngelixesha ethi ndiyam-advise ndizithi hey nantsi enye option because ndiyayazi mos umla uba uyifakile i-challenge kuphela komuntu izwe uthetha naye uyifakile i-challenge form uyayazi uba ndizama engage la uyifuna nyale title Dine obligation ke ngoku, which is what I can never be faulted on that. No obligation yosenza kubetha. But mamela. Ingathi le ntwana iyoyiswa iweight. Ungaske ulwe no number 1.
Sure.
Because I'm not forced to bandenze le fight
Yes.
December, but la fight is almost ngokucollapse kwezinye fights. If you still remember, there would have been a him and Sonji. Don't. So that I can give you an opportunity to fight here in the bantamweight division, because I was hoping that he will jump at that, but he did not. He said, "I club, boxer am nam sifuna title." That was okay. What is the next next discussion on the agenda? It was to resolve.
Yeah.
Okay. Ititle ke ngokilwelwa must discuss pesa vumelana sayiva. We resolve it very easy. Okwesibini, there are rules in boxing South Africa. There's the amended regulations that if you had fought for a world title fight and you lose, you can challenge for a South African title.
Okay.
If you are number 1. But if you fight an international, you go to an international outing and still lose, you must still win to fight to challenge for a South African title. La in himself says as is coming from a loss. So masivumelana ke ngoku into ba that was not going to happen.
That's a negotiator, man. Yeah, negotiator.
That was not going to happen. But what I thought what you were asking, which is what we must come into, we'd agreed, Nomla.
Okay.
And we're going to write that email jointly. When I'm saying jointly, I will write it. I will copy him in the submissions, but we'll discuss it, the content. Mongolo,
Okay.
Ditumele to all these major world bodies.
Okay.
So that because of the magnitude of the fight, and so that the winner gets ranked in the top 15, it's nothing untoward. I've just moved him now because new rankings to other rankings. Go to feedback, which is fine.
Nice.
Because you must know we do interact with chairpersons of different rankings of major world bodies. So we'll do it. And Kengoku, it then informs our approach towards September.
Okay.
Into the band sometimes bands can destroy and kill the ambition of one becoming a world champion, because bands is an animal.
Yeah.
Ne sanctioning fees, ne sanctioning fees the world put ne officials no fly band across. Kandi if siyavumelana ba Azinga Okin must go to the for a world title opportunity. Kaloku ngoku omnye uzawuba linqalathi lomnye beyond the 24th.
Okay.
Yeah. Because kaloku owinileyo prioritize yena for a world title opportunity.
Okay.
Then what that means is you can get a boxer in the top 10.
Okay.
We'll lose 8 rounds or 10. It's an international bout, but once I bet Lando, he gets ranked to top 5.
Okay.
Ne?
Okay.
Instead of uyokangela iband intercontinental or what unless you get approved and you can fight with the boxer, you can get a cheaper boxer.
Okay.
But for a good belt.
Sure. Okay.
The more unyuka umnqantsa kubhekwa pha phezulu. Unzima pha phezulu. But izinto besizenza zenzeke. Sisezawuzenza nangoku. But must resolve land. You see, the announcement of a September bill does not mean there's no matter that must be resolved.
So we can confirm that this fight, it also gives the opportunity to these boys of Obazingene world ratings.
For sure.
Nice one. Nice one.
For sure. You must look at...
It's something that we discussed up front
Okay.
before we agree on terms. And we need to do that.
Exactly. Yeah, because that was going to be my question about what will be the winner beyond the outcomes of this fight, whether someone lose or draw or whatever. But what will be the winner for them? Because the magnitude of this fight, and it shows that it's a big fight.
Cannot only be the purse.
Yes, cannot only be the purse. Yeah.
The purse will always be million. But the most important thing, particularly for for Azinga is for him to be resuscitated and abuyele internationally. Yeah, that's very critical.
That's why we don't converge. Because not because I don't want it for Azinga, but because he wants to do that through King. and I want King to use Azinga's pedigree to propel himself.
Yes.
And even if it was not King, it's unfortunate that it's King.
Okay.
Yeah, no,
It's
it is just unfortunate. Yeah, well, could have been another person, but he gave me King. Yeah, and I need to deal with him.
Utamla is saying, Xaba, kokuba this fight, it's one of the biggest ku-King in terms of the pressure and abantu. But khawusixelele nje, as someone that is also working no King closely on kwi-stable sakho, this fight kuye against Azinga Fuzile, who's been there at a very young age, and now he's fighting with him another derby, his third derby, Azinga, fighting with Asanda King. Le fight ku Asanda ithetha ukuthini kuye and the stable as well.
Wasanda lo kuzaba yiGrootman kuqala. Because kaloku funeka buyisele nto kamabhudi.
Yeah.
Uyayiqonda? Funeka buyisele asixhephu. Kaloku we may forgive but we do not forget. Uyayiqonda? Funeka buyisele asixhephu. Okwesibini,
History kenyana ke ayina blank pages.
okwesibini for we cannot contest the pedigree of different boxers when you look at their credentials. So it's exciting for King,
Yeah.
but the pressure is on Azinga. You know, someone who summarized this thing very well when he was here, Kuhok, Makepul.
Yeah.
He said, who stands to lose is Azinga. So the pressure is on Azinga. The pressure is not on King.
Yeah.
Ne? And in the thanda lento abantu baka Azinga becimba pressure ku King. Zawabethela loo nto. And 2, 3, King. You see, beyond these things,
Yeah.
sometimes you can get a ranking.
Yes.
Seven's hypothesis. You can get a ranking. If you don't get a fight, you don't have a guaranteed fight. Because a guaranteed fight guarantees you economic freedom.
Yeah.
Guarantees you money. Guarantees you mbani.
Yeah.
Guarantees you enye into bungenayo. If the relations are not sour between, it's not sour between men, like, but if the relations, my relationship
remain
does not
rivals.
produce, we are rivals.
Yes.
We're progressive rivals.
Yes.
Ne? We're progressive rivals. Una uta umla benamantshonto wakhe ezintwana o longi. Ne? And it's betty and it's a hook because yazi abantu bacinga ngohlobo oluyi-1. Ne? Bacinga ngohlobo oluyi-1. Akho need ububuza ubulungu usupport abantu. Usupport Azinga. Ne? Usupport Azinga. Akho need ubuza ba ikhona enye intwana endiyithandayo uThozama uHope.
Yeah.
Ingathi zibotshelelwa apha kumla abelani ke Bramla ngabantu bakhe. So sometimes by message boxing there's a talk on a fight and ushosho uzamphinda ulungi uThongwane, but we're not there.
Uthongwana uzabethi incinci lentwana.
But yibona
Yeah.
akafuna ureasonisha.
Hayi incinci lentwana uThongwana.
Uyayibona lento ndithinayo
Yo.
nomla he gets into that arrangement. Ndiyabazi abantu ndivele ndithi la kona yini bathi gqibonke.
Yeah.
Ndiyabazi uba bayasapotana and ungathi ucimba banibhungile.
Yeah.
Ne? Uyazi abantu xa be if kuthiwa uxabulwa nomla akubuza uba happy boxer xabelwane kamla. Ne? Kuyaziwa hayi sisapota umla.
Yeah.
Neboxer kamla.
And this time uhambe nomdantsane wonke. Oh, Zolani Tete baphaya, Professor uphaya. Bonke abantu basemdantsane uhambe nabo tamla. Kasinikela receipt.
Ndilawo namaqhongosha about ace sidini lapha emva kwami. Yoba nami.
Kukhona not ace.
Silently balapha.
Hayi igroup A1 le. Hayi faction ke leyo. Igroup A1. Igroup A1.
Lapha sonke nendaba.
Igroup A1. lelo ndisithi ungeka once uannounce bayaqaba jonga nomnye ungabi uyabona ke ngoku
Yeah.
what we are producing in the light of this arrangement, because nucleus layer,
Yeah.
if I a click faction, in the light of that we're producing abantu ke ngoku will say okay uhim yo akho sonjicuna obethu uhim
Yeah.
akhona abantu who prevailed yena ucimba ku prevailwa kulento into ba ngaba iboxendo yona ba prevail abantu into ba hey awuzulenza xesha pha khawubuyumva
Yeah.
ne khawubuyumva ngendlela esmart and ke ngoku wandile uyayithetha kahle nalapha ku into ba you use the pass to run away from the fight.
Watsho njalo.
Ufuneka umane unyuse ipace le ulandozo you are running away from the fight, but I can assure you yabazi abantu you will get in the same corner.
Sure.
And ke ngoku ndiyakwazi uzenza ezi fight ndiqonda uba okay yeyiphi fight ndiyazicingela mos I know the dynamics
Yeah.
and the isms. Okay uba ndithathe ubani ndathatha ubani la group uyifumene izawungcola kokoko ndivelele
Psychological.
so psychological
So, yes.
and uyazi ba my relationship nomla has helped to do fights ebezingena kwenzeka
Yeah, exactly. We'll
ne
talk about this one
mna
as well. That one.
noma usuyabona ulungu ba ndiyamfonela mna ndiyenzi lento ungala ntozi mna akho mntu ndiyakuthetha na uba ndifuna kwenzeka ifight ethile
Yeah.
bakhona abantu uqonda ba usakhula lo umzi uqumbile into ongayaziyo ekadibene naye kuzawufuneka kuzumlake kuwo azo
Umshumbela. Kawuhlamana ka fight.
le yaphela 36 seconds
Yeah, Tafu versus
umla ndiyambhuqa uhata lo so nangu umuntu ngokumasikhameza machoda hayi man xa bakhawume ntontoni futhi iyamka lento le ntontoni enza sense ba hey le into so you always have
Yeah.
la reasoning and on behalf of that group because izakuye yebo ngabantu
Yandibethisa ke lento yam. Yo.
utheni ingenzeki lento ntonto hayi manje ngizothetha nayo xaba
Yeah.
yebo
Yeah.
and ayikho nzima ngapha xaba singabantu bekofi
Yes.
sawudibani
Yeah.
and ayikho nzima jonga ulungu did not have to go to mla
Yes.
for the Tongwana and what fight. There's the league when's the fight kabani kalo leadership. Ndiyamazi mos. Ndiyamazi mos ufuna ubuyisa la nto ufuna iranking. Ufuna ubuyisa la nto bendimbethile. Ndona ndimo yangu lo. Ndizamthatha le title ningazuyenza nto. Ndizamthatha la Eastern Cape ngoku ndizamvisa kabuhlungu uzawuphindwa ngustar.
Into lo siveka kabuhlungu sobabini ngo December no.
Nobabini. Nexoxela idisk nobabini.
Hayi i-revenge siveka kabuhlungu kunento yam. Siyobuyisa i-revenge. Sithi ngozaphuma sixwaye abantu. Yebo sixwaye
Umla kawahamba manqindi uyazi lona akahamba manqindi umla obhetero longi uba intwana zami zilwane ezinye intwana into is there
Yeah,
so
even our ama.
nakwabo na sensitsho noba uyambona into ba is infested noba funa ziwini lezi
Yeah.
kwenye indawo ke lo umla uze manqindini xa kudlala intwana zakhe phayene uzamve uthethele fight ba uyibukele TV you must start going to boxing
Yansile. Kodwa ke ngoku njengoba sisitsho kokuba as boys ziready and I saw abantu abaninzi banomdla to come to be part of the night of 24th. There are some legend ezoba khona phayana accompanying these boys. Can you tell us kokuba is it still on?
it's just me being if I want something and I have the number I make calls danifuna mos mna bethwe ulandoza udodo umkhorodo
Sure.
mna ndandisupport ubone crash
Yo.
so and ndandingamcapukeli lo
Yes.
uyebona mos la
Yeah.
boxing ya le yathetha ngayo umlayo yayikhona pha dodo ayikho kakhulu nokubetha ngeleft hook schooled even if ayinamandla kubetha
Well
mos
educated.
i-boxing uyathotha usemncinci ubetha accurate because uyakwazi uba nesigantsonso esingabethi correct
Yeah.
but sinamandla
Namandla.
but ube neboxer eza kupantsha betha kabuhlungu
Accuracy.
yabona uVetyeka awumboni ungathi uVetyeka ibox nezingcondo zakhe nento
Awuboni
engathi
ne-six pack.
ne-six pack ayiboni kodwa uza kudibanisa namanqindi
Yeah.
yebo so the point I'm making is that I then called those to I said this is my wish man.
Okay.
Ngexesha abantu benenhliziyo ezibhlungu le derby kanti ngabantu bawo thina bayo too
Yeah.
yimhlekazi le ntwana uAzinga he has taken the baton
Yeah.
yayili derby neliya
Ekuyi.
so is it possible basingavumelana buphume nayo ekoneni hani wakho ngxaki nini ntona yam khonto so we secured that one so ukhangela i-bone crush ekuse hayi ndikhona mfana kithi
Yeah.
yebo
Yo, don't go.
ndizawuza nodadewethu ndikhona ndizawuphuma noAzinga
Sure.
yonza uphuma nogini
No game.
Yeah.
Sure. Danzana.
omnye uphuma noAzinga it's funa abantwana bethu bakhule beyazi abantu bethanda boxing ukuba lento it's something we pride ourselves about.
Yeah.
It's not hatred. It's just we want the best of the best so that the best that we have can claim world titles is another South Africa that's
Bona le
Africa.
point,
Yeah, you can take it.
le point yakhe uthi uAzinga uzawuphuma
Ndoda, yeah.
omnye banophuma kuqala
Yeah, ngubani ozophuma kuqala?
because kudala ke from day one ndayibuza uxaba ke undiphendula first time when ndiphendula into le sivumelana singavumelana yabona le
Awazi
he has been
uzophuma
darking me bra okokoko even yesterday when I met with him ndiyibuzile same question ubani ozovela kuqala
Bana vele kuqala wena ke eBK gogo
BK.
boxing credentials.
Kodwa uginqi kufuneke ephume emva yena.
ithi uyamthanda
Ngoba Ngoba-
champion kuba
i-champion is a sitting champion.
uyithethile abakundi wathi wamshiyele la band sekutheni
Is a
ngo
sitting champion.
akakwazi
Yima kaloku uzawuza ne-reasoning yakho. Khawuze nale yakho ndifuna
Ngizawuza
uza.
For me, uginqi nguye osibizileyo pha.
tyheni
Sisenhlanhla sikwinhlanhla zikaginqi phayana.
ngokwe-promotion
Ngokwe-promotion and also nangokwelithuba lifunyenwe
Kwazi.
Golden Boy.
tyheni
Nguginqi osivuleyo esisikhiya. So for me I say it I'm favorished but ndiyazi uba ndiyancanywa no-2 bras. Uginqi nguye ozongenamva. Golden
Hey.
Boy makaqale.
yayazi uAzinga oko walwe-oriented i-one fight yakhe aze aphume kuqala le waye-challenge mabhuti
Okay. First.
Waye-challenge.
nakhona waye-challenge
Okay.
apha akayo-challenge apha une-credentials zakhe internationally uye uphetheyo ayini moto okanye but ndinayo ke uxaba uyayoyika ndithi I'm putting up a challenge today
Sure.
ethi makuye kwi-polls ndingumntu we-elections ke mna maye kwi-polls lento abantu badecide abahlali mabadecide supporters must decide uba
Okay.
ngubani ozaphuma kuqala ngubani ophuma mva
I think
ke makuvotwe xaba
Yeah.
makuvotwe xaba phaa kwipage yakho ungayimanipulate
Vodwa lodwa manipulation emajola. Okay, mamela ke mcethu masiyeze ngolu hlobo.
That's another fair.
Yeah.
That's another. No, there's nothing. Another one.
Yeah.
Mamela leadership.
Sure.
Yeah. Uyazi ba lento ye former does not work. In all fairness, it does not work.
Yeah,
King has an advantage of having a promoter that is making the fight. He's a sitting South African champion. But what Azinga has, it's just me being lopid.
Yeah.
Ne? And it's not moving from factual facts that are being advanced.
Yes.
And when I'm lopid, I'm not saying I'm giving in that no Azinga makaphume emva, Ginqi makaphume kuqala,
Sure.
kanye ntoni. I'm saying mhlambe mla without even degenerating to lento ye vote. Must resolve a way in lento. And my resolve ngufako noDlamini.
Dlamini. Okay, sure.
Yebo.
Uchijani.
My resolve ngufako
Iwazi
noDlamini.
ngumgwenye uDlamini ke yena Thixo wami ngiyoya.
Akomgwenye wani.
Uba ngumgwenye lo.
Akomgwenye, umgwenye kanjani uandile?
Yo.
Yembandile. Akomgwenye wani pha. Jonga wathi wakongithudu.
Ubani? Ayizukuwa ukhwaza Thixo wami.
Konto uzayikhwaza pha. Wakongithu use a method. In fact ukhwaza ngakhona. Right. Ne? Wakongithu use a method. Yabona this fight has helped. Ne? Abanye bahabulisile lento. I can tell you bahabulisile because bekusiziwa ne fights, different fights. Zabantu ezikazi ngezikaginqi ezabantu basemdantsane ezabantu baseDangen village, and the centrality of the loudness of Dlamini is loudness with content, substance, boxing, and it has helped abanye abantu ukhabula.
Yeah.
Now uFaku usupporter, he's locked kulento kazi.
Yeah.
Uyaqonda?
He is.
He's locked.
is
Walokha ke ngokulocation yaseDangen village. So I'm saying maybe the one instrument that we can use is for them to choose on a coin and they flip it. Flip the coin.
Okay. Flip the coin.
Yeah, look, what is, I mean, what fair?
Baba 50-50 abantu.
Jani kanti ufuna ndoni umla? Ufuna submit kuye.
Jonga abantu basemdazane bro, kwa mentality.
So izawuresolve njani?
But I think to flip the coin.
To flip the coin is the most fair. Is the most fair.
Uthina ngokuxa.
Hayi ke ngoku. Hayi ke umla hayi ke ngoku abantu nabantu bakho bazamka kuwe ke ngoku le view.
But
View
you
yakho.
cannot
Kaloku
manipulate
you can't manipulate a coin because abantu ababini who are at the center of i-campaign, uba i-campaign or i-support yabantu who are the face of u-campaign labantu basemdantsane abaseDangen village. Miswa phaa i-coin, they will choose in the presence of everybody else, and then when they flip the coin they resolve the matter. It's done deal. Akho mntu uzawuthi
For me, flip the coin.
akho mntu uzawuthi hayi uXaba imposed himself waforsa into.
Iflipa ngubani coin? I know phathwa nguDlamini.
Ayizuphathwa nguDlamini. Uyawuthatha umuntu owuthathwa noma nguBrapax, umuntu neutral.
Usemdantsane lo.
Ungwathi mna wena? Akufuna ndoni? Hayi ke ngoku.
Thatha umuntu waseGauteng ke me bra. Andimthembanga uBrapax. Ngithemba umuntu wasemdantsane.
He's not, which means he's not genuine kule ask yakhe.
Get something neutral. Akho umuntu waseGauteng nawo khona.
Because you know, if you probability, uyabethwa.
Uyabetha. Akafuni into apha mla ukho genuine. If ke ngoku awuyivumi nale.
Get someone akho officials zaseGauteng zayo.
John.
Akho officials.
If the commissioner yonke uthi ayikho lanto, what are you suggesting?
The whole commissioner.
The whole commissioner province.
Uzanibethiza uncibane.
The whole commissioner province.
Uncibane bra. No sure akho mjojo.
I think that's the best one.
Yeah,
And it's exciting because
that's the best
you instead of because I can't agree to this thing, this wave guys. Niyobona makovoto bhanqa so because le twana ibilapha ngoku ithetha yodwa. I can't do that thing. Now, siya kwi-fairness.
Yeah.
Awuzawuza nale ngxolo yayo yabantu basekhaya. Ne?
Yabona ivote ibiza icacisa.
For me, let's go with the coin.
That's why.
It's an unconventional way of doing lento. Ne? It's an unconventional way lento yokwenza lento uthi you move away from the principles of one being a champion and what have you. And then you say makungena uginqi uqala. We can't agree to that. Okay, you then say there's an appetite and Azinga has contributed in this fight. That's fair.
Yeah.
And then we say okay, fine. Let's maybe, because it's a non-title fight, let's leave this thing, your championship.
Yeah.
Let's then take both who are leaders. They may as well discuss a different instrument, but class figure parks based into a different. But I'm saying as one of a solution.
Yeah.
Makubekho umuntu who's neutral, but choose abona, you flip a coin and then we close it.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Damla.
No, I agree.
That's fair.
Damla, thank you so much.
I agree under duress.
Baba, as we are closing, just take us through ngala 24th of April, because zininzi bouters phayana that are very, very exciting. But siyayazi ukuba eyona match okanye the fight ekuthethwa ngayo is ile derby, but there are some beautiful fights esizilindeleyo phaa ngala 24th of, and also namatikiti athengiswa aphi, because asilalanga nathi asiphumlanga every time we post a clip on where zonke socials zethu siyabuza ukuba amatikiti athengiswa aphi, just nje to clarify those things and also give us this bill.
Yes. As but there are 3 former Manchester stars. All of them are coming in, making their debuts. There's another superstar in waiting as a Tengen Village. Gong.
Yeah. Auditor General.
Kuthiwa Auditor General.
Yeah.
Enye real deal.
Real deal.
Enye Black Diamond.
Yeah, Polo. Yeah.
Black Diamond. So the 3 of them. The opponent gap is the Last Hope, which is Jonas.
Yeah, the Last Hope, Jonas. Yeah.
As ndona ke ziyabaleka usucima fanele bekulula ufumane opponents zazo. Ikhona ilwane ndwana yangaphe enye ingathi Auditor General kuphele kuvuma intwana sebhayi.
Oh, okay.
Izangapha, so it's 3 bouts outside titles or 10 rounds. Then ube noThongwane.
The slick one.
I can predict quickly there. KO.
Kaban.
Eh?
KO Gaba.
Or better to KO Thongwane. Thongwane.
Uyaphindwa.
Or better KO.
Yebona hey.
Ulwana
noCobani.
Tell us.
Umhlaki noba umazi uCobani wena.
Yamazi uCobani ejima apha kumejimeni. Waya kuwe.
Kaloku wena uhamba manqini. Wena uhamba manqini. Kaloku into mna obuyisebenzisa wena mamela. Into obuyisebenzisa mna ndiyayiprefer ndiyenze champion. Mna ndenze champions mna mla and bendi.
uCobani into na yami ngemtheliswa.
Jonga umeni yakhe noshosha. You can ask abantu abanqindi indlela i-fighters lwayo nendlela azibona ngayo, but ke it's fine, stay to protect your heart. It's fine, you can believe what you want to believe. And then we have decided to bring him in.
Yes.
He's fighting against a boxer from the DRC.
Katombo.
Yes, Katombo. And the DRC people, foreigners, or foreign nationals that are in East London, they've made their own person. They are coming there to support their own person. You then have Umoye's Pretty Boy, Intercontinental IBF, Nunez. Nunez is South American champion. And ikona enye into like if it double PC uyazibona ezinto ze double PC Africa.
Yes.
The South American double PC is a champion
on that side.
So une credentials as strong.
Okay.
Intona yami izahamba kahle pha. Then ube nale ndichazile kayi mos.
Yes.
Then ube no Azinga ke ngoku. Then amatikiti ayafumaneka ngoku eComputicket okanye Shoprite, because abantu iComputicket ingathi into complicated. Computicket, you go to Shoprite if you can't do them uthenga iticket ubezi fight Azinga chaza fight kaZinga noGimbi main bout leyo. Shoprite or Checkers wafumana amatikiti i200 rands, very cheap for this fight. Very cheap. Kukho ke ngoku sine VIP.
Okay.
Apha kwi general 350.
All right.
I-VIP ile ndawo yi-center.
Apha ring.
Phambi kwe-TV lijongene ne-TV uqala ezantsi uyotsho phezulu. 350 pha kune securities guards jonge pha.
Njema sileqa la ndawo nje thina
sizifumana.
Izaba
secaleni. Ubhala la ndawo iyabhatala. So if VIP it's 800 rands, which is ringside VIP. VIP ringside 800 rands. VVIP ringside 2000. So, but iyaphela le it's easy to track to VVIP. Iyaphela, I think we're left with 5 chairs. There. Iyaphela. Then na VVIP sijongile pha communicate it's going up. General uyamka. Uyamka. It's a good reflection on the appetite and the fight. Then we'll announce very soon. We're trying to have an after party.
Okay.
By Orient.
Yeah.
So that's Orient go to.
Excellent. Jeez.
We want to class gqiba amanqindi sihlale in pha.
Okay.
Kube manje. Yeah. Wire. Yabo. So we're trying to have an after party, so we would we'll invest in that presentation kahle from an event point of view, so that it matches what we want to deliver.
So let's make it clear, amatikiti azothengiswa emnyango this time around.
Kuzoba khona lo emnyango kaloku we don't know uba
Ashikle
team.
Bazawungena bazawufuna ukungena.
Ngoba
Sawuza
ufika
ngenyawo ke thina ikazi usasa ngumla pha. Ngenyawo.
Yo.
Siphinde sijike
baphinde bajike ngenyawo mabagwije babheke pha bawufika bedini kuphele namazwi pha like
Yexabu yayazi mosiba. Guys yayazi bakaniya emondi niyakuthi.
Yeah.
Funa ni understand. Abantu basemntazana.
Coastal basically.
Nina nina nansi ilanda up kumtempe.
Inland. I wonder xa igqithile le fight uzawuthi ni. Uphi wena. Ugqitha le fight.
Nansi into lokunansi indawo yeni. Sithi phanga setown. Yebo.
Xa si njengoba sishilo ba siyavalelisa ngoku. Do you have something nay? Simnandi siqhibile ne. Predictions izibethiwe. And I don't think bayikhona into eshotayo ngoku. The other one is coming amapantsula and the other one is coming with the forum. Let's meet there. The 24th.
Oh, amapantsula ya.
24th of April.
Yeah.
For sure amapantsula azobakhona phaya.
Ada kanjani? Yo ndiyawabisa. Hayi bazi uyo uyayazi me.
Hey kodwa
awusiphethe sabe sinxibe 8 piece lamlamini.
Yazi niyamconza ugenzi ngenqinela. Yo. Mina ke mla andoyiki.
Banoyi kanye. Andoyiki kuba hayi ubengazonithatha le fight.
Okay.
Kodwa ngathi nayo indawo ugwatsha tamla.
Uba
I think that trauma yange Night of Champions.
Yejonga iyeke leyo trauma yona soyiqala kaloku ndiyolungisa yona ngo. Yo.
Umla ugcwele ngoku uyambona is very excited. I'm sure he's happy. Ubuso babumthenga lameni.
Mamela uwazi ngiyayazi uyonithethelela pha.
Sure.
Uyisidima sabe TV andisifuna uba sibe endaweni emnyama masibe pha emtshotshweni emanzini. Yabo? No, thank you so much guys man.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much Tamla. Thank you so much Xaba. All right, masibe siyayivala kanye ngolo hlobo sithi thank you so much. Keep on subscribing us on YouTube Sports Edition ECTV, as well follow us on Facebook. We are giving you an exciting content there as well. Sports Edition ECTV. Thank you so much to the team. Thank you so much to Xaba Boxing Promotion for this opportunity nabo abasinika yona to market this fight. And thank you so much na ku team ka Azinga Fuzile as well. Tamla is here. Sithi bayayithatha ngalamini. We'll see. Yeah.
Besides passing one uXaba sivumelene.
Okay.
But asisoze sibe kwicala elinye somabi.
Never.
Yeah. Naka isolo ke
Yeah.
izolo bestream. Izolo benitsho anifuna
Sentema breathe boxers so that
uthi asoze sibe kwicala elinye.
sikwazi uba sibe babe neboxer uba uneboxer nayo zilandoze. But sometimes if I may have an interest ku boxer yakhe zikhona intwana emcimbaza zakhe ndiyazi khona intwana bebethe umuntu uqede Port Alfred ka intwana nesibindi serious azifuna uphepha bethi ngathi zibethi kwekho inja
semntana man sena 25
inja
Styling fighter Zelmbomb.
jonga uzijonga
hayi madoda
magoqoza
Oh, no.
Gama ithi magoqoza uzijonga
but umuntu
Yes.
ubetha
Sengumntana umntana lo usafuna ugotywa kanti and ukuzayiyeka le mfuna kabanjwe ngento
Yeah, funeka
ya azawugoba kakuhle
Magoqoza, wake up boy. Good night.
thank you my bro
yeah proper one.
hey
Hey, yabona nisilelisile abona ngo9 ngo.